Good morning, it's me Jimmy. So I'm going to talk about GPT Win 3 versus Aya Neo. This video is going to help you a lot which device is the best and which one to get. I was very busy. I was going to make this video last month, but right now I think it's the right time to make. I have my PC repair background with the CompTIA A plus system and certified system engineer background. Also I have my experience with hands-on with GPT Win 2, and I made already over 100 gameplay video. I'm a pro gamer, I'm a pro handle gamer, and I know what I'm going to talk about. First thing you need to consider is the display size. The display size of the GPT Win 3 is 5.5 and the Aya Neo is 7. You need to understand that when I was gaming on the Nintendo Switch 6.2 and when I was gaming on the GPT Win 2 with the 6-inch display, it was tiny. Unless you're going to play the 2D side scroller, the display was tiny. Right now Nintendo is going to launch a Nintendo Switch Pro with 7-inch display because the display anything below 7 is considered tiny. If you're going to play any AAA game, like you're going to play like any AAA game where you need to read the text, or any RPG, maybe you're going to play the upcoming Skyrim 6, or maybe you're going to play Witcher 3, do not get the GPT Win because 5.5-inch display is impossible to play. Aya Neo is the best option and the best compromise with the display size and the portability 7-inch, and they're both very similar overall dimension. They're very both similar. The similar dimension to the Nintendo Switch, both nearly can fit the Nintendo Switch. Aya Neo is a little bit thick. You need to remember that Nintendo Switch thin case will not fit unless you are using a Nintendo Switch pouch. Then maybe it can fit inside. But Aya Neo is the best, to be honest with you, if you are looking for the display size. Even you want something portable, but if you wanna play PC game, go with 7-inch display. So this round go to Aya Neo. And second round is the brightness, display brightness and overall quality. Aya Neo is having, sorry, the GPT Win is having 400 nits brightness and the Aya Neo is 500. Let's forget about brightness. Again, even 300 nits brightness is more than enough for me. Now I wanna talk about the quality. The Aya Neo display is much superior compared to GPT Win 3. GPT Win 3 display is quite crappy. I wanna be upfront, it's a quite bad quality display. There is no justification. The colors are muted and dull compared with Aya Neo. According to what I know, the display on the Aya Neo is much vibrant and much better IPS panel. The viewing angles are quite good. So the display quality also go to Aya Neo. Now for the processor, the GPT Win is using two processor, i5 and i7 1160G7 or 1135G7. Let's call it, they are using an Intel processor. And then the Aya Neo is using a AMD Ryzen 4500U APU is simply, again, we don't know, like APU is like very old, for like 15 years old already. CPU plus graphic card on a single chip. AMD Ryzen 4500U is much superior processor. Against much superior, the performance are solid and consistent. Like even I get like 5 or 10 frame less on the AMD 4500U. I will be go with AMD. Number one, drivers. Intel do not care about the handle gaming market. Intel do not care about the entry-level processor. They do not care. The drivers are a big problem. AMD billion time better driver support. You don't need to do anything. If you download any game from Steam, or like, I don't know, maybe you wanna play some pirated game or crack game, I'm not into, still it will work. You don't need to like mingle around, blah blah blah, waste your time, troubleshoot. This round also go to the AMD Ryzen processor. In my opinion, I personally prefer the AMD Ryzen processor. The AMD the graphic card, like I already mentioned the processor and the graphic card, but the graphic card, like again same, go with the AMD Vega 6 compared with the i5 or i7 Intel, which they are using the 96EU or 80EU. Again this round go to the graphic card. Same, in my opinion, I get better performance on the AMD 4500U compared to i5 or i7 from the Intel. Again this round also go to AMD Vega 6. And now I wanna talk about one of the major thing is the battery. The battery is quite bigger on the Aya Neo, 47 watt compared with the 44 watt, but I understand that GPT Win 3 screen is smaller, Aya Neo screen is like bigger, But if you remember, I bought my GPD Win 2. The battery was dead on arrival. I tried to contact GPD Win, even they ignored me. I told them I live in China, I can come to your office directly. Their office was near my home, like 5-minute walk. They refused to even accept that. GPD have a battery problem. Sometimes their battery come dead on arrival, sometimes they use crappy battery, sometimes their battery fail within 5 to 6 months. My personal opinion, stay away from GPD Win if you wanna talk about battery. I have no experience with them, but I'm hoping that they are going to have a better battery. Also the battery round go to the Aya Neo. Battery life, I'm not going to go in much detail again. Yeah, both of them are similar, but if we are going to like under voltage, upper voltage, blah blah blah, I mean overclock it, it's up to you. See, both of them are going to give you around 3-hour battery, somewhere 3-hour battery on the stock setting. And then the major thing now I wanna mention overall is the customer service. GPD Win, I bought GPD Win 2. My battery was dead on arrival. It did not turn on, so I have to use a Nintendo Switch charger just to turn on, so I can play around and make some gameplay video. The battery was dead on arrival. I contact GPD literally refused to offer me any help. Sometimes they tell me go to Reddit, sometimes they tell me go to Discord. One of the worst customer service ever. Customer service, I know I have no experience with INEO. Maybe they are going to offer horrible customer service, but I'm going to bet with INEO. At least I have some hope. Maybe they are going to offer better customer service. And final round, the build quality. INEO have much better build quality. The plastic is much better. I'm a plastic lover. I just love plastic. But what the GPD Win 2 or the right now GPD Win 3 is using that is called crappy plastic. That is called $1 plastic, like $1 plastic I call it. The build quality is quite bad. Like again, this round go to INU. And finally the controller layout. GPD Win 3 is using one of the horrible controller layout. I have so much experience with two top joystick. I hate this one. It become very uncomfortable. Like it's become very uncomfortable. It's going to give you your thumb is going to strain, your thumb is going to get a lot of pain. Stay away from this crappy layout. Again, it's going to INEO. Again, I do not hate GPD. Like again, I contact both of this assembly review, they both refuse me. I say I can test around, make some gameplay video, return you, or even like I can pay you. You give me a review unit, like you can rent me, blah blah blah. My personal opinion, go with INEO. If INEO founder uncle, I forgot that name. Anyway, if you wanna contact me, I live in China. He can provide me a review unit. I will be happily testing and making 200 gameplay video. As you know, guys, I'm not sold out. I'm not like other YouTuber who trying to sell you GPDs or trying to sell you INEO. I'm an honest guy. I know what I'm talking about. Overall, INEO is much better option, especially with the 7-inch display, the build quality. It do not have a crappy keyboard. I understand INEO can launch like a Surface Go type keyboard, like a 7-inch Surface Go type keyboard, like in upcoming, like they can launch a case which is similar to like Nintendo Switch, but it have a case like this I'm talking about. Go with INEO 7-inch. You can also use as a tablet for watching movies on YouTube. Like 7-inch is the sweet spot for gaming. Go with INEO. That is my personal opinion. I wanna hammer INEO. Again, no one pay me for making this video. My personal opinion, go with INEO. That is my personal opinion, and based on my personal opinion. Again, INEO, if they wanna contact me, I really wanna score a hand-on, because I'm really very much excited for INEO. If INEO can offer the true gaming handle experience, INEO is the new winner in the handle PC gaming market. Who really need a crappy Switch now? INEO, you are the future. Subscribe and bye.